Hello viewers, I welcome you to today's tutorials. My name is Daniel Obenyi. Today we'll talk on how to use Canva as a platform or a tool in creating your designs. What you have to do is just go to your browser, you type canva.com. It takes you to the page. Okay, so you have various features: the home, your template, the discover, learn, and pricing. When you scroll down, you see various designs, various available designs. So from it, you can select the ones you want. Okay, you can select the ones you want for your graphics. Okay, for instance, let's select this. When you click on it, it takes you to this platform where you can edit, and you have your uploads, you have photos, you have elements, text, music, video, the background. So this is what you selected. Okay, this is what you selected. So if you want to change the background, you come to the side, you click on the background. Okay, you can select any background you want that depicts what you are trying to convey. You can choose this, you can also choose this, you can choose this, you can choose this. You can also select any of these. Whatever design you want, you make use of it, and then you can also crop and then adjust, filter, add effects, anything you want to do, you do it here. Then this is your text. You can select any text from this. You have text, any text that will depict what you want to convey. You can make your selections. You can also click here and edit it on your own. You can click here and edit whatever you want on your own. You can remove this picture. When you click on it, you delete it. When you click on this, you delete it anyhow you want. So you can also come to your photos and then select any of the photos here. But I want you to understand that there are some photos that are paid for and there are some that are free. When you select the ones that are not for free, you would have a watermark of Canva on it, which is not good for your work. So what you have to do is to remove that watermark. You have to pay for it. For instance, this picture, as you can see, this picture, you have Canva here. Are you seeing? It's telling you here, remove watermarks, remove watermarks. So the Canva here is just customized, so because it is not a free picture. So when you are selecting, you have to be careful on what to select. And how do you know any picture that is not free? You will see a crown logo on the picture. So when you see any picture with a crown logo, you don't select it because it's not for free. It has watermarks of Canva. So those that don't have crown logo are for free. You can use it and then edit your work. You can also make use of any picture you want. So when you are done with this and you don't want it, you just click on delete. It's gone. You can click on delete and you remove this other picture and this other picture if you don't want them. So if you want to still add page, you click on it, it takes you to the next page. If you don't want, you delete it. So when you are done, you can share it. Click on the share. You can also click on download. You can download it to your Facebook page, your Twitter, your email. You can also share the link. So anything you want to do, you can do with this canva.com. You have it on your app, phone app. It has a phone version app. You can make use of it to make a quick design. So I thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorials on graphic design using canva.com. I want you to like this page, share it, and subscribe to it. I remain Daniel Obey, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.